Kidney detox juices. Kidneys are vulnerable to toxicity because of their roles in the body's urinary system. These organs work as filters that filter out impurities and excrete these with excess water in the form of urine, and also filter valuable nutrients and provide it to the body for reabsorption. The role of kidneys is important, and any disorder poses a serious threat to health. Time to time kidney cleansing keeps these organs healthy and upbeat and health protected. There are a few drinks which can be made at home. These drinks detox kidney instantly and prevent toxins from damaging these organs. In this video, you will know the top 9 homemade kidney cleansing drinks that are included in a regular diet keep kidneys healthy and free from the harmful effects of toxins.
Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any daily health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
Kidney cleanser drinks. Lemon. It is naturally acidic, which makes it a good choice to flush kidneys from time to time or regularly. There are 2 ways to use lemon for kidney detox. Squeeze 4 to 5 lemons to 250 milliliters of water. Drink this juice on an empty stomach in the morning. Do not drink anything else or eat anything for the next half an hour. Now drink 2 to 3 glasses of lukewarm or normal water and wait for half an hour again. Repeat this process once in a week or in 15 days regularly to keep kidneys healthy. For a more simple way to improve kidney health, cut 1 lemon horizontally and add the slices to 2 liters of water. Drink this water throughout the day. Lemon provides easy but effective drinks for kidney detox. Cranberry juice. It is recommended for curing urinary tract infections. This juice eliminates bacteria present in the urinary canal and bladder. Cranberry juice is one of the best homemade kidney cleansing drinks. Drinking pure cranberry juice prepared by using fresh berries is best. If pure juice tastes strong, mixing half of apple juice with cranberry juice also works as a useful drink to detox kidney instantly. Best kidney health supplements. For more effective and holistic kidney detox, use UT Clear capsules. These are herbal supplements that come with multiple benefits. You can use these to cleanse kidneys and also to pass stones without any pain or trouble. The use of these pills periodically prevents stones from forming again and protects kidneys from toxins and other harmful agents to keep you in sound health. UT Clear capsules are herbal, hence can be used by a person of any age. These do not contradict with any other medicine or treatment and do not require any prescription before use. There are no withdrawal symptoms of these supplements either. If you want to know how to get UT Clear capsule discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Coconut water. Coconut water in its natural form is one of the reliable drinks to improve kidney health. Coconut water contains minerals and hydrates the body. It increases the water content in blood and also fights back toxins present in kidney tubules to keep kidneys healthy. 1 glass of coconut water in a day is a very beneficial drink for sound renal health. Citrus fruit. All types of citrus fruit juices are good for kidney health. Undiluted fresh orange juice is particularly beneficial as it hydrates the body to prevent clogging of kidney tubules and also supplements vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells and tissues from damages. Carrot juices. Toss in diced carrots in a blender and run for few minutes. Drink fresh carrot juice before breakfast regularly for a month to cleanse kidneys naturally. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice works as an efficient remedy to detox the kidney instantly. Extract a glass full of beetroot juice and drink before the first meal of the day. This veggie is loaded with nitrates and other nutrients and works well for clearing toxins that get accumulated in kidneys. Veggies juice. Vegetable juices also work as powerful drinks to detox the kidney instantly. Mix juice of powerful veggies to cleanse kidneys. Extract 300 milliliters of carrot juice and 100 milliliters each of spinach and beet juice. Mix these juices and drink this half-liter of juice mixture from morning till half an hour before lunch. Repeat this process regularly for a few days to flush kidneys. Barley. Soak about 200 grams of barley in 2 liters of water, leave these overnight, and in the morning boil this mixture for a couple of minutes. Let it cool down and strain and drink this water during the day. Barley water is the best homemade kidney cleansing drink. During the day drink barley water and avoid normal water strictly. Eat light during the day and continue this treatment for 2 to 3 days straight to pass stone easily and cleanse kidneys effectively. Radish Juice. Radish juice works as a natural remedy to cleanse kidneys and pass stone easily. For the best method, combine use of radish juice and barley water to get rid of renal calculi or mineral precipitate that develops stone. Take 1 or 2 fresh radishes and run these through the blender. Collect the juice and consume this as first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Do not drink or eat anything for the next hour. Conclusion. Include all these recipes in your daily diet and take 100% pure natural supplements like UT Clear capsules to flush kidney stones, improve bladder health, and pass stone painlessly. World's finest kidney detox supplements.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy UT Clear capsules at naturogain.com. The product link is given in the video description. Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.